Solve the following equation for x. So we want to solve log 2 of x plus 4 plus log 2 of x minus 4 equals 5. And to help us solve, we're going to multiply the 5 by log 2 of 2. And because log 2 of 2 is simply 1, we're multiplying 5 by 1, which just keeps it as 5, so we haven't altered the equation. Next, what we can do is when we add logs, we can multiply the parts inside the log. So we can write this as log 2 of x plus 4 times x minus 4. And that is going to equal log 2. And now the reason why we did this on the right hand side is instead of multiplying log 2 of 2 by 5, we can instead move the 5 up, so it's 2 to the power of 5 instead. So this is going to be log 2 of 2 to the power of 5. Simplifying this gives log 2, and x plus 4 times x minus 4 is a difference of perfect squares, which gives x squared minus 16. And that's going to equal log 2, and 2 to the power of 5 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now that we have the same log with the same base on both sides, we can equate the parts inside the log. So this will give us x squared minus 16 is equal to 32. And now this is a quadratic equation, but we can only see one x appearing, so that means we can simply undo it. So we're going to start by adding 16 to both sides of the equation, and this will give us x squared is equal to 48. So if x squared is equal to 48, then we know that x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 48. And we can simplify that to be x is equal to plus or minus, and 48 is simply equal to 16 times 3. So we can simplify this third to be 4 times the square root of 3. So our potential solutions are x equals minus 4 root 3 and x equals 4 root 3. Now it may seem like we're done, however logarithms have a restricted domain such that the part inside them must be greater than 0. So if we have a look at log 2 of x minus 4, if we substitute into that minus 4 root 3, then we're going to find that this is equal to log 2 of minus 4 root 3 minus 4. Now that thing there, because we have log 2 of a negative number, is undefined. Therefore, this is not a possible solution to this equation, meaning that the only solution that we get is x is equal to positive 4 root 3.